Of Narvivi, the original nature by Buddy Rogers versus Pat O'Connor from 1961 in this match Visava. Many submission moves plus even more moves. This was super good match. I'm going to give this match 5 to 5 stars because so many moves coach in this match. Between two mega legends, Buddy Rogers and Pat O'Connor, may them both rest in peace and their respected legends in the wrestling business. Let's start with Buddy Rogers. He was born in 1921 and died in 1992. May he rest in peace. He debuted in 1939 in the pro wrestling business. 40s he wrestled Lou Test many times and many more than 50s. Buddy Rogers wrestled Lou Test and Verne Gagne and Dorival Senior and Boris Malenko and Killer Kowalski. 60s Buddy Rogers was the NWA World Heavyweight Champion and this match was a reviewing Buddy Rogers won the belt. And 70s Buddy Rogers was still wrestling and 80s Buddy Rogers quit his wrestling career, so that was the story of Buddy Rogers. He's one of the biggest legends of all. That's my personal favorite legend pieces go to this match. And Pat O'Connor was born in 1924 and died in 1990. May he rest in peace. He debuted in 1950 in the pro wrestling business and 50s he wrestled Lou Test and Verne Gagne and Tori Van Senior. 60s Pat O'Connor wrestled, I'm guessing the same cast Lou Test and Verne Gagne Vaster, Aaron McDibiase and many more. 70s Pat O'Connor was still wrestling and 80s Pat O'Connor wrestled his last match, so that was the story of Pat O'Connor. He's one of the biggest legends of all. That's my personal favorite legend in business go to this match. So this match, Buddy Rogers vs Pat O'Connor, 5 to 5 stars, one of the best matches I've seen in my life because so many submission moves, I get the real wrestling moves and beating a little bit everything to everybody. Matches that get better than this was for the NWA World Heavyweight Championship and Buddy Rogers won the belt and O'Connor lost the belt. About 1963, Buddy Rogers wrestled Bruno Sammartino and Bruno Sammartino became the first ever WWE World Heavyweight Champion. Then Buddy Rogers had got a few years a break. Then 1979, Buddy Rogers went to wrestle Ric Flair and you know the Battle of the Nature Boys. And yeah, this match, 5 to 5 stars, one of the best ever. And of course, it was for the NWA World Heavyweight Championship. So that is the highest prize in wrestling business was back in the 60s. And yeah, Buddy Rogers and Pat O'Connor, nothing bad to say about both because they wrestled. They wrestled in the 50s and 60s mostly, so they are the real deal from the golden age of professional wrestling that time. Buddy Rogers even wrestled in 1939, so that's very early, and podcast wrestled in the 80s if I remember right. I'll check it in casemat.com. So yeah, this match, 5 to 5 stars match that get better than this, and I said in the beginning the original nature for Buddy Rogers because so many different wrestlers copied the nature by gimmick. Most popular Ric Flair, nature by Ric Flair, and after that came nature by Buddy Landel and you know. And Robert, did you know that Pat O'Connor was born in New Zealand? And I believe Natural Boy Buddy Rogers is American wrestler. So yeah, I was really happy to see this match because they had so many wrestling moves and this was 28 minutes video and plus the breaks but they still managed to entertain me and I'd say that the match lasted something about 20 minutes because those 8 minutes they were some kinds of interviews. I don't know what they were, but so yeah, Buddy Rogers vs. Pat O'Connor 1961, 5 stars. Can you believe this was the 60s? How many professional wrestlers are still alive that wrestled in the 60s? Ric Flair is still alive, but he debuted in 1972 and I think Abdullah the Butcher debuted in 1958 and is still alive. And Terry Funk Jr. debuted in the 60s, so Terry Funk Jr. is still alive, but Terry Funk died recently, so rest in peace. And favorit.